If you're exploring crypto wallets, you've probably heard of Trust Wallet and Coinbase. Most people get this wrong by assuming they serve the same purpose, but the surprising truth is that they target different types of users. Today, they'll break down the differences so you can decide which is better for you. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means you control your private keys and funds. It supports thousands of cryptocurrencies and tokens across multiple blockchains, giving you flexibility to manage everything in one place. Security relies on your device and recovery phrase. The app is free, user-friendly, and ideal for active crypto traders who want full control. Coinbase, on the other hand, is primarily a custodial platform and exchange. It holds your crypto for you unless you transfer it to an external wallet. Coinbase is beginner-friendly with a simple interface, built-in buying and selling, and support for credit cards and bank transfers. It's excellent for newcomers who want convenience, but you don't have full control over private keys unless you move assets to Coinbase Wallet. Fees are another factor. Trust Wallet doesn't charge storage fees, only blockchain transaction fees. Coinbase charges fees for trading, withdrawals, and certain transactions, which can add up for frequent traders. In terms of security, both are secure if used properly. Trust Wallet depends on the user safeguarding the recovery phrase, while Coinbase has institutional-level security, but still carries custodial risks. In conclusion, Trust Wallet is better if you want total control, advanced features, and access to many coins. Coinbase is better if you want ease of use, integrated buying and selling, and a beginner-friendly experience. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize control or convenience. If this comparison helped you choose the right crypto wallet, subscribe for more crypto reviews, tips, and guides to keep your assets safe and grow your portfolio.